Hello students, in this class let us study about non-conventional renewable energy sources. A renewable source is one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. The two non-conventional renewable energy sources that we have to study are wind and solar. First, let us study wind energy generation. This figure shows the basic components of a wind energy conversion system. It includes tower, rotor blades, nacelle, gearbox, generator, controller, yaw mechanism, anemometer, and wind vanes. Tower is a structure which supports all the parts. It raises the wind turbine so that the blades can be safely placed above a particular height. Rotor blades are the mechanical parts of the wind turbine which converts the kinetic energy of wind to mechanical energy. Nacelle is a box which is placed in between rotor blades and tower. Nacelle houses components like shaft, gearbox, generator, turbine controllers, etc. Fifth one is generator. Generator converts mechanical energy received from shaft into electrical energy. Controller controls different parameters like power, frequency, voltage, etc. Next one is yaw mechanism. Yaw mechanism aligns the rotor blades according to the orientation of wind. And the last one is anemometer and wind vanes. Anemometer measures the wind speed and wind vanes measure the wind direction. So these are the basic components of wind energy conversion system. This is the block diagram of a wind energy conversion system. It consists of aero turbine, gearing system, then it is coupled to an electric generator and a controller. Aero turbine and electric generator are connected through a single shaft. Aero turbine converts the kinetic energy of wind to mechanical energy. The rotor turns the shaft at low speed, but generator requires higher speed. So, gearing system or a gearbox converts the low RPM into higher RPM required by an electric generator. And after producing electrical energy, it is given to load or grid. And here another component, controller, is there, which senses or monitors different parameters like wind direction control, pitch control. Pitch control is the technology used to operate and control the angle of the blades in a wind turbine to adjust for wind changes. Then it measures speed, and a control signal is given to the coupling system, output power, generator temperature. So it continuously monitors the various parameters. This is a basic block diagram of wind energy conversion system. The second renewable energy source that we have to study is solar power plant. This shows the basic block diagram of a solar power plant. It consists of PV panels, voltage regulator, DC control unit, inverter, battery, MPPT, and solar tracking system. First one, PV panel. PV panels absorb the sunlight and electrons are released by the process called photovoltaic effect. A solar panel or PV panel produces a DC voltage. The voltage regulator holds the DC voltage at a particular level, and to convert this DC voltage to AC, an inverter is used. So inverter converts DC voltage from solar panel to AC, and we can use, that is we can store this DC by using a battery, and whenever required we can convert DC to AC by using an inverter. And here you can see a solar tracking system. To obtain maximum efficiency from a PV cell, the sunlight should directly fall on it. The solar tracking system ensures that the PV cells are always facing the sun, that is in a perpendicular direction to the falling of sunlight. And it uses a technique called maximum power point tracking system to track the sunlight to obtain maximum output power. So this is the basic block diagram of a solar power plant. That's all about non-conventional energy sources. Thank you, students.